How to change Google language settings to English. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google. Then go to your profile picture on top. After you log into Google, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and then click on Manage your Google account. And you'll find search button on top right corner of your screen. Search language. Click on language and then you'll find pencil-like option beside language. In here, search for English. After you select English, click on save. After you save it, your language will be changed into English on Google. This is how to change Google language settings to English. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.